Good afternoon to our channel English with Akram, and once again we have gathered for the debate. And topic of the debate is plastic is boon or ban. The team sitting on my right will speak in the favor of plastic, and the team sitting on my left will speak against the plastic. So let's start.
Hello everyone, my name is Sabah and today once again I am debating here on a very amazing topic that is about the plastic. Should it be banned or not? So in my personal point of view, plastic must be banned, not only just India but also in whole over the world. Why? First of all, I want to ask a simple question from you all that have you ever thought that why do we fall ill nowadays? Diseases like cancer, asthma, skin problem, heart problem. Why these kind of diseases are prevailing a lot? Why? The one major reason is the silent killer around us. Yes, that is plastic. How? Let me explain you all. First of all, listen, whenever we take any plastic material or plastic product, so after some time, after some days, it vanishes. Then what do we do with that product? Of course, we throw that outside. And anyhow, and we think that now it has gone forever. But the reality is that it never goes. It stays at our planet for thousands of the years. And whenever we throw that product outside, so anyhow it goes to the soil and water, then it mixes up with the soil and water sources like lakes, oceans, rivers, and then it releases its toxic chemicals like BPA, phthalates, and these chemicals are very, very harmful for all of us. And then plants and animals take those chemicals with the help of water. And as we all know very well that humans also eat plants and animals. And after that, those chemicals are ingested by the humans. Okay, then after that, these chemicals releases so many diseases. Means because of these chemicals, there are so many diseases like heart problem, cancer, asthma, skin problem, hormonal imbalances, and so on. Okay, so it means that plastic is not only harming the human life, it is harming the marine life, it is harming the wildlife. So how can we say that it is useful? Okay, and I want to tell you the data that according to the Lancet Commission on Pollution and Health, 1 lakh to 2 lakh people die every year due to the health problems in India. Okay, so is this the future we want? To live in a toxic world for the sake of convenience? Of course not. So recycling is not the solution because only 9% of the plastic ever produced is recycled globally. Yes, plastic may be cheaper, but the price we pay with our health, with our planet, that is too expensive. Okay, and yeah, wait a while, Sergi. So, my dear friends, it's time to wake up. It's time to take any action. And plastic must be banned not only just in the laws but also in our lifestyles. Thank you.
So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. No, it's okay. So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rihan Sefi, and today I am favoring the plastic. Why am I favoring the plastic? Because I personally think, and I would like to make you think too, that plastic is actually boon. Why am I saying this thing? Why I want you to also think this thing is because I care about you. You know, I don't want to make you live a life in the misconception. Anyway, let's start. I would like to give you a brief history of the plastic. You know what? It was in 1869 when John Wesley in the New York founded the first synthetic polymer in 1869, and the polymer is found in every kind of plastic. Even that, like, he found the plastic, so he should be punished. But he was rewarded with 10,000 US dollars back then in 1869. Having said that, in 1907 it was the first time when the first synthetic plastic, like a complete plastic, was invented in the New York. After that, till 1960, the plastic became popular and every person began to use the plastic in abundance. Having said that, till 1960, there was no one to stand and to raise a concern that the plastic is banned or boon, something like that. There was nothing like that. Everything was going okay and smooth. But it was in 1960 people like Saba, humans like Saba, bloody Homo sapiens, that's their habit. Began to drop, they began to drop the plastic waste into the oceans. Like they drank the water bottle made of plastic, okay, began to drop in the oceans, blaming to the plastic. Is it a common sense? It's not a common sense. It's a very irrational and an illogical thing to say. Like I am doing something, I'm not blaming to my own self. What is this? It's nothing but hypocrisy. Anyway, now till 53 years there was no problem anyone had. In 1960, when the plastic waste was seen in the oceans first time, then people began to think like is it really boon or actually ban? Now, from that, the concerns raised and the cases found that the plastic is somewhere not boon, somewhere ban. Of course, it is. So, somewhere ban. Having said that, after 70 years till 2021, there was no international conference on the plastic pollution people or the countries held. There was no international conference. It was in 2021 when the first time in Switzerland, Geneva, the international ministerial conference was held on the plastic waste and the pollution. Now I want to ask you a question. If you this much care about the plastic or the plastic pollution of the waste, why didn't the people or the country's leaders took any kind of meeting globally till 70 years? Were they sitting blind
Because they are
or
careless.
deaf? That's what I want to say. You humans are careless, and you humans, because of you being careless, you are blaming to a non-living thing which cannot even walk or talk like she said.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Okay.
Listen, my Rihan brother, my beloved brother, is talking about the plastic, that we are throwing the plastic in the rivers and all, so it is our fault. So Rihan brother, from the bottom of my heart, I used to respect you a lot, but you said this thing that was very, very horrendous for me. Okay, you are saying this thing when there will not be the root, so how will the tree grow? Okay, it is for you and you must think about it. And now I would like to give answer to my some of opponents. First of all, I would like to give answer to the Etika and Al-Shifa sister. They both mentioned about the cutting of the plants, that deforestation will happen. So, my dear sisters, listen. Yeah, if deforestation will happen for our daily needs, so what goes in that? Because deforestation is happening because of the industrialization as well. So what goes in that if we do deforestation for our basic needs? Okay, and I would like to give answer to the I have given. Now I would like to give answer to the Bashir brother, as he talked about the. Let it be.
Should I speak?
Yeah.
Okay. So it doesn't care if you do not have respect anyway.
Thank you.
What I wanted to say you actually that as you said that cutting thousands of trees, millions of trees, lakhs of trees, crores of trees do not matter because we are cutting the trees because of our basic needs. So what do you think? Spreading plastic waste, plastic pollution because of our need. It doesn't matter to you. It should not matter to you, isn't it? Like on the one hand, you are saying that cut the trees, let the trees be cut, and on the other hand, you are saying that there should not be the plastic waste because the plastic waste is snatching our life from us. So isn't the deforestation snatching the life from us? Of course it is. Anyway, I would like to give answer to the someone from their team. You said that the microplastic is in a fast food. Means according to you, it was like that. You go to the cart of Momo and you say, Momo wale bhaiya, give me 20 rupees Momo plate, and you get the microplastic in that, or not at all. The plastic takes 1 month, at least 1 month, to get decomposed into the microplastics. It's not like that he just suddenly brings the plastic plate or cutlery and he gives you Momo 5 momos for 20 rupees, and there is microplastic in that. And if there is also microplastic in that, so you should believe in your stomach. You have acid called as amino acid, maybe. So we should believe on that. Anyway, someone else also said that 80% of the plastic waste is found in the oceans. So yeah, I have given the answer that we humans spread that kind of waste in the oceans.
I have also given
Anyway,
answer that.
one more thing I would like to say. You know what? The plastic people who cannot walk like you, people who cannot stand like Saba, they do not have the legs, they do not have the hands to hold the plastic even. So they use the prosthetic devices called as artificial limbs made by the plastic, and they help people bring joy. You know what? They help them to live, not your any kind of iron or something like that. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Anyway.
So now from their team, all the members are talking about the people, that it is the fault of people, and on the one hand they are blaming the people, and on the other hand they all are blaming the government. So what the hell you all want to say? Tell, first of all, be on one point, that first of all you are blaming the people, that it is the fault of people. On the other hand, you all are blaming the government, that government doesn't take any action. What the hell you all want to say? I don't understand.
The definition of government is like, if you, in which class are you?
Intense.
In 10th, you must have studied in the 9th class. Abraham Lincoln, who was the first president of the USA,
Yeah.
said and gave the definition of the democracy, means kind of government, by the people, for the people, of the people. Democracy and the government has the people. No any kind of AI is your prime minister. Mr. Modi ji, a living person, is your prime minister.
Yeah,
So
I know.
people are the prime minister, people are the bureaucrats, people are the aristocrats, and you are saying here, why are you blaming to the government? On the one hand you are blaming to the government, on the other hand you are blaming to the people. What the hell is this? You are being illogical, but not more than you.
Brother, try to understand that we people don't have powers, but the government has more power than us. Whatever our government will say, we will understand that, we will follow that. So we don't have power. Whatever our government will do, we will follow that. So all the things are up to our government. We cannot do anything.